Parents, this video is for educational purposes only. Please practice with adult supervision. Welcome back to Rainbow Yogi Headquarters. Today's secret mission is to unlock the Confidence Hero Badge. To complete today's mission, you'll need to finish 12 superhero yoga challenges. Every challenge gives you a brand new superpower. Can you unlock them all? Let's find out. Are you ready? If you love Let's Go adventures, ask a grown-up to help you join the Rainbow Yogi Hero team by subscribing. We go on a brand new mission every week. Heroes, take one giant superhero breath. 3, 2, let's find out. 1. Mission started.
Hero Challenge 1, Mountain Pose. Stand as tall and strong as a mighty mountain. Imagine your feet are planted deep into the earth while your head reaches the clouds. Today's superpower is Strength Power. Hold nice and still. Fantastic! You've unlocked your first hero star. Your hero meter is now 1 out of 12. Hero Challenge 2, Tree Pose. Become the strongest magical tree in the forest. Don't let the wind knock you over. Today's superpower is Balance Power. Wish. Amazing! Your hero meter is growing. Your hero meter is now 2 out of 12. Hero Challenge 3, Warrior 2. Become a fearless superhero protecting your city. Stretch your arms wide. Look forward with courage. Today's superpower is Courage Power. Awesome. Heroes never give up. Your hero meter is now 3 out of 12. Wow, you've already completed 3 hero challenges. Give yourself a giant high five. Only 9 more challenges until your hero badge is yours. Hero Challenge 4, Chair Pose. Pretend you're sitting on an invisible superhero chair. Stay tall and keep your balance. Today's superpower is Focus Power. Fantastic! You're getting stronger every minute. Your hero meter is now 4 out of 12. Hero Challenge 5, Eagle Pose. Wrap your arms and legs like a mighty eagle ready to soar. Stay balanced and breathe slowly. Today's superpower is Balance Boost. Amazing! Your hero wings are growing stronger. Your hero meter is now 5 out of 12. Hero Challenge 6, Cobra Pose. Lift your chest like a brave cobra looking proudly ahead. Smile and take a deep breath. Today's superpower is Confidence Power. Outstanding! You're doing an incredible job. Your hero meter is now 6 out of 12. You've completed half of today's hero mission. Your hero meter is glowing. If you're having fun, ask a grown-up to tap the like button. Every like helps more little heroes join our yoga adventures. Now, let's unlock the next superpower. Hero Challenge 7, Camel Pose. Open your heart and shine with confidence. Take slow, deep breaths. Today's superpower is Heart Power. Fantastic! You're becoming a true yoga hero. Your hero meter is now 7 out of 12. Hero Challenge 8, Bridge Pose. Lift your body like a strong bridge. Stay steady and keep smiling. Today's superpower is Core Power. Awesome! Your hero meter keeps rising. Your hero meter is now 8 out of 12. Hero Challenge 9, Boat Pose. Balance like a superhero. Boat sailing across calm waters. Stay strong and keep breathing. Today's superpower is Core Strength. Brilliant! You're almost there. Your hero meter is now 9 out of 12. Only 3 hero challenges left. You're stronger, braver, and more confident than when you started. Let's finish like true heroes. Hero Challenge 10, Hero Pose. Sit proudly like a real superhero, ready for the next adventure. Relax your shoulders and breathe. Today's superpower is Inner Peace. Excellent! You're shining brighter than ever. Your hero meter is now 10 out of 12. Hero Challenge 11, Child's Pose. Curl up like you're resting safely before your next mission. Take slow, peaceful breaths. Today's superpower is Calm Mind. Wonderful! Your body feels relaxed and strong. Your hero meter is now 11 out of 12. Hero Challenge 12, Easy Pose. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Place your hands on your knees. Feel all your amazing superhero powers glowing inside your heart. Mission complete. Heroes, take one big deep breath in, hold it, and slowly breathe out. Today you unlocked strength, balance, courage, focus, confidence, calmness, heart power, core strength, inner peace, and a calm mind. You completed all 12 Hero Yoga challenges. You've officially earned today's Confidence Hero badge. I'm so proud of every one of you. If you want to unlock a brand new hero badge tomorrow, ask a grown-up to subscribe to Rainbow Yogi. We'll go on another amazing yoga adventure together. Until our next mission, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep being a hero. Good day.